living an active life should be as easy as possible. Our mission is to inspire you to gain exciting experiences. At SP Connect, we do our best to keep you connected during your adventures. You can now choose between 2 cases and mounting systems. The original SPC system, that has been tested and relied upon by over 1 million users. And the new SPC Plus, where quick magnetic attachment meets our proven secure mechanical 90 degrees twist to lock. SPC Plus is not only 40% thinner but also 25% stronger, providing you with excellent handling and great protection. Both systems support wireless charging, however SPC Plus is now also MagSafe compatible. A wide range of magnetic mounts, stands and charging modules makes using SP Connect Plus phone cases even more convenient. All phone cases come with an easy-to-use adapter, guaranteeing cross-system compatibility. To ensure all mounts you already own remain compatible with both the current and the new phone cases, exchangeable SPC Plus heads are available for adaptable SP Connect mounts. SP Connect, one system for all needs.